Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to look at Hans laser crystal. And so we got this crystal with the stand and everything. It's pretty much etched inside our son and our dog. And they did a phenomenal job. Pretty much we sent the picture of the background pretty much coincided close to our son's shirt. And my wife and I both pretty much deal with Photoshop and Illustrator and all that. And so they were able to separate it and put it inside the crystal, which was very impressive. Anyone who's done Photoshop understands to remove a person and remove the background, especially when it's so identical to the same color as the shirt or whatever they're wearing. It's a little time consuming. But they did a phenomenal job. It looks great. And so we're just going to showcase it a little bit throughout the video, and just phenomenal job. If you're looking for crystal that looks great, and they actually, take care of it and should do an excellent job, I would advise Hans Crystal.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.